What's up guys? This is DF Test Channel. Today Meizu 16s full review. The Meizu 16s is an upper mid-range smartphone that features a big 6.2-inch Super AMOLED screen with a Full HD Plus resolution. The screen is paired with wide viewing angles and has tiny bezels that offer a quality visual experience while gaming or watching videos. You also get an in-display fingerprint sensor on this phone. Dual rear cameras and a powerful selfie shooter. Dual rear cameras are in fashion these days, and the Meizu 16s 2 ships with a set of 3 imaging sensors at the back. The handset offers a 48MP plus 20MP sensor configuration. For video calling and selfies, the smartphone comes with a 20MP front-facing shooter. Snapdragon 855, 8GB RAM and 128GB of memory. The Meizu 16s is powered by Qualcomm STM855 Snapdragon 855 chipset and 8GB of RAM to deliver smooth and seamless performance. On the storage front, the smartphone is bundled with 128GB of onboard memory. However, the memory capacity is fixed and there is no scope for further expansion. Day-long battery, fast charging and twin SIM slots. The handset is fueled by a non-removable Li-ion 3600 mAh battery which is touted to last for an entire day. To suit power users, there is support for fast charging. On the connectivity front, you have options like 4G with VoLTE, GPS, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C port, Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, and dual SIM slots. Meizu 16's price in India. Meizu 16's price in India is expected to be Rs. 38,990. Meizu 16's launch is expected to be in April 2019. The 128GB variant costs around Rs. 38,990 and comes in multiple color options like black, white. Let's look camera samples. It's new photos, video and Meizu 16s video sample test. Okay, let's watch samples.
第一个 miss 没有了，其实真的很好看，你看，真的很好看。没错。 啊，非常了，非常了。